The future isn't coming. It just dropped. In the last 30 days, the tech world has moved faster than most people can comprehend. While the average person was scrolling through memes and skipping software updates, the foundations of how we live, work, and think were quietly being rewritten. This isn't just hype. 1. Apple's AI is finally here, and it's smarter than you think. After years of lagging behind in AI, Apple just unveiled Apple Intelligence, and it's not your average assistant. Integrated deeply into iOS 18 and macOS Sequoia, this AI doesn't just answer questions. It edits your writing, summarizes your emails, and even generates images on device, preserving privacy. Most shocking, it's partnered with OpenAI's ChatGPT, meaning Apple now has a direct line to the most advanced generative AI on the planet. 2. OpenAI's GPT-4o is changing the game for everyone. OpenAI dropped GPT-4o, O for Omni, and it's not just smarter, it's faster, free, and can see, hear, and speak in real time. The voice assistant demos were so human-like, it left people stunned and creeped out. Key points: voice response time, 203.2 ms, basically instant. Real-time translation across languages. Vision plus voice plus text equals next-gen assistant. We're no longer asking if AI will replace jobs, we're watching it happen live. 3. Google's Project Astra brings a universal AI agent to life. At Google I/O 2025, Google revealed Project Astra, an AI assistant that sees through a camera and responds in real time to your environment. It can tell you what a circuit board does just by looking at it, analyze code on your screen, or help you find your glasses on a messy desk. It's not a chatbot, it's a fully aware co-pilot. 4. The IPC wars have officially begun. Microsoft, Apple, Intel, and Qualcomm are all in on AI PCs. New chips with NPU, neural processing units, will run AI directly on your laptop. Faster, more private, and less battery drain. Windows 11's Recall feature, which records your screen activity and makes it searchable via AI, sparked huge privacy debates. But one thing's certain: your next laptop will think with you, not just for you. 5. Samsung's Galaxy Ring signals the wearable wars. The Galaxy Ring promises to monitor your heart rate, sleep, and stress levels with clinical precision, challenging the Oura Ring and Apple Watch. It's sleek, smart, and a major signal that wearable tech is moving beyond steps and calories to full-body health diagnostics. 6. The rise of AI. Video generation just went mainstream. OpenAI's Sora, Google's Veo, and new players like Pika are making it possible to create full, photorealistic videos from a single prompt. Think movies written and rendered by AI within minutes. Hollywood is watching closely, and so should you. Content creation just hit warp speed. 7. Tesla's new self-driving update is quietly revolutionary. Tesla's latest FSD, full self-driving V12, is powered by end-to-end neural networks. No more hand-coded rules. Drivers are reporting a huge leap in natural behavior, and Elon says it's basically AI learning how to drive like a human. It's not perfect, but it's the closest we've come to cars that drive themselves, not follow pre-written instructions. 8. Humane and Rabbit-ish show us the dark side of innovation. Two hyped-up AI hardware companies, Humane AI Pin and Rabbit R1, launched with major fanfare and flopped hard. Poor performance, unclear use cases, and half-baked tech reminded us that not all innovation is progress. The takeaway? Don't fall for shiny objects. Ask, does it actually solve a problem? 9. Major layoffs signal a tech shift, not a slowdown. Meta, Google, Amazon, and other giants have laid off thousands. But it's not a recession, it's repositioning. These companies are ditching legacy divisions and rebuilding around AI, cloud, and automation. The jobs aren't vanishing, they're changing. 10. AI regulation is coming, and it will change everything. From the EU's AI Act to US hearings on AI transparency, governments are waking up. Expect new rules on deepfakes, AI-generated misinformation. Copyright in AI training data regulation may be slow, but it's inevitable and will reshape how AI is built and used. 11. Apple Vision Pro 2. Rumors signal a major strategy shift. To the hype of the first Vision Pro fizzled due to high cost and limited use cases. Apple is reportedly working on 2 new models, a cheaper Vision Non-Pro and a high-end second-gen version. Expect a more lightweight design, expanded spatial app support, lowers entry price to drive adoption. The message is clear. Apple still believes in spatial computing, but it's adapting fast to avoid another Newton moment. 12. NVIDIA just became the most valuable company in the world in a historic moment. NVIDIA overtook Microsoft and Apple to become the world's most valuable company, thanks to explosive demand for its AI chips. Its GPUs power everything from ChatGPT to autonomous vehicles, and its dominance in AI infrastructure means NVIDIA is the beating heart of the AI revolution. Tech's new caremaker isn't a phone maker or search engine. It's a chip company. 13. The quantum computing breakthrough that got buried. While everyone focused on generative AI, IBM quietly achieved a quantum leap, literally. Its new 100-plus qubit system shows early signs of practical advantage over classical computers in specific problems. This isn't science fiction. It's the beginning of solving problems in drug discovery, cryptography, and materials science that today's supercomputers can't even touch. Quantum is still years from going mainstream, but the foundations are being laid now, and they'll reshape what's possible. 14. Instagram's Threads is quietly overtaking X, Twitter. After a shaky launch, Threads, Meta's Twitter alternative, is rapidly gaining momentum, especially after integrating tighter with Instagram. With Elon's X facing user decline and advertiser distrust, Threads is rolling out real-time search, launching web-based posting, attracting brands and creators with fewer moderation issues. It's not just another clone. It might become the new default for public conversation. 15. AI-powered search is about to break Google's monopoly. With Perplexity, AI, U.com, and even ChatGPT's web browsing in the mix, users are slowly shifting from traditional keyword search to AI native search, where results come as smart, summarized answers instead of just links. Google knows it, hence its push into Search Generative Experience, SGE, and iSnapshots. The battle for search dominance is back, and this time, AI is the battlefield. Final reminder, the future isn't coming, it's here. You don't need to understand every new tech tool, but you do need to understand this. The pace of innovation has gone exponential. If you wait to catch up, you'll be left behind. So stay curious, ask better questions. Be the kind of person who doesn't just react to change, but rides it. Because the next time the world shifts, it won't send a calendar invite.